Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today, at first, I am telling about a sequence which is monotonic, increasing, and bounded above must be convergent. And I am showing one application of this, and before it, I am also give the definition of monotonic increasing function. Let's see. A sequence xn is said to be monotone. Number one, increasing, more precisely non-decreasing. More precisely, if you tell non-decreasing, its meaning will be very cleared. You may tell increasing also. If xn is less than equal to xn plus 1, and strictly increasing if xn is less than xn plus 1 for all n. Now, what is the theorem? I am telling that if a sequence is monotone increasing and bounded above, then it is convergent. If a sequence is monotone increasing and bounded above, then it is convergent and converts to its supremum An important application of this theorem. One important, let xn, where xn equal to 1 plus 1 by n to the power n is convergent. I have to show this. This is the application of that theorem. If a sequence is monotone increasing and bounded above, then it is convergent. Okay? And converges to its supremum. This is one application. Now, the sequence is a monotone increasing, is convergent and monotonic increasing. Let's see. To prove this, we expand this. You know the binomial theorem. You know a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. If power is 2, we get power term is 3. Hence xn, their term will be n plus 1. Here xn plus 1, then term will be n plus 2. Now 1 plus nc1, 1 by n, nc2, 1 by n square, nc3, 1 by n cube. That is after deducting nc1, nc2, nc3, then you get 1 plus n into 1 by n plus n into n minus 1 by factorial 2, 1 by n square, n into n minus 1, n minus 2 by factorial 3, 1 by n cube, plus dot dot n into n minus 1 by n factorial n dot 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 1 by n to the power n. Now, if you arrange it, you get 1 plus 1 plus 1 by factorial 2, 1 minus 1 by n, 1 plus factorial 3, 1 minus 1 by n, 1 minus 2 by n, dot 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 1 by factorial n, 1 minus 1 by n, 1 minus 2 by n, here factorial 3, then 2, here factorial n, so 1 minus n minus 1 by n by 1 by 1 by factorial n into 1 minus 1 by n, 1 minus 2 by n into dot 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 1 minus n minus 1 by n. We pass from xn to x plus xn plus 1, replace n by n plus 1. Then you can write xn plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 by factorial 2, 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 by factorial 3, 1 minus 1 by 1 plus n, 1 by 1 minus 2 by n. In this way, and last term 1 by factorial n plus 1, 1 minus 1 by n, 1 plus n. Since here n plus 1 factorial, so last term 1 minus n by n plus 1. Now see that 1 by n and 1 by n plus 1, this is, since n plus 1 is getter, so the after division you get this is less number and this is more than this number. 1 by n is greater than 1 by n plus 1. That's why the deduct here is more than here, and that's why xn plus 1 is greater. Okay, since 1 by 1 plus n is less than 1 by n, and that's why deduct the result of this deduction and result of this deduction here, it will be more than this, it will be more than this, and that's why xn plus 1 is greater than xn. So we observe xn contains n plus 1 term, that I have early said that xn contain n plus 1 term, whereas xn plus contain n plus 2 term and all terms are positive. Moreover, each term of x plus n, xn plus 1, after the second term here 2, here also 2, after second term is greater than the corresponding terms xn plus 1 is greater than, after second term xn plus 1 is greater than xn. So hence xn plus 1 is greater than equal to xn for all n. Xn is a monotonic increasing function, so monotonic increasing as because it obeys the definition of monotonic increasing, so sequence is bounded. Clearly xn is greater than equal to 2 for all n. It means 2 is the lower bound. Xn is greater than 2 when n is greater than 1. As because first term is 1, second term is 2. X is n. If x is greater than 1, then xn is greater than n is greater than 1, then xn is greater than 2. Now if this term will be 0, then this will be much than this term. That's why if this will be 0, if this will be 0, then this term is greater than this term is greater than xn. That here written 1 plus 1 plus 1 by factorial 2 plus 1 by factorial 3 dot dot 1 by factorial n is greater than equal to 2 is greater than xn. Now factorial 3 means 3 into 2 into 1, which is greater than 2 into 2 into 1, and if you divide, then inequality will be opposite direction. That's why 1 by factorial 3 is less than 1 by 2 square. In this way, similarly others. So here this is this is also less than 1 plus 1 by 2 1 by 2 square, as because 1 by 2 square is greater than 1 by factorial 3. In this way 1 by factorial is less than 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1. So this term is less than this, and this is the term of a geometric progression. First term is 1 from here counting, that is 1 from first term is 1 and common ratio is half. So you put the formula of summation of geometric series 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. Here r is equal to 1 by 2. So this, now after calculating and multiplying with, you get 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1, which is less than 3. That's because if that is equal to 0, then this is 3. So this is less than 3, and that's why we observed that xn is less than equal to 3 is greater than equal to 2 for every n. So the sequence is bounded. Okay. Conclusion: since xn is bounded and monotonic increasing, so it is convergent. It is customary denote this limit is e, that is n tends to infinity 1 by 1 plus n to the power n equal to e, where e is less than 3 is greater than 2. Thank you.